ini sisa-sisa es kemarin. Makanya kemarin kita nggak bisa naik karena katanya tangganya licin, banyak es. Dan ternyata sisa-sisanya masih ada hari ini. Tapi luckily hari ini kita udah boleh naik. Let's continue. During summer holiday, they would every day there would be like 20,000 people hike up the mountain. Oh my god! Who is yelling there? Okay, some childs. But now it's low season actually, so of course less than 20,000 people. Maybe some 3,000, 5,000. Who knows?
This is a very good bed. I want to jump to the bed.
Bed, yeah?
The white bed.
Do you have insurance already?
Not yet.
You better have insurance first. We come back here later.
Okay.
And you can jump. Okay, some Chinese group is coming. So if you pay 300 kwai to go up there, I think it's very worth it.
I don't think that one will carry to the hill.
Oh, okay, it's not included?
How can they carry here?
Only until down there?
I guess so. Fanjingshan, Fanjing Mountain.
Yay, we finally arrived at the top of the mountain and now we need some more energy, so we're gonna make cryogenic. And this is coconut milk. It's famous in here in China, so it's very easy. You just prepare the shaker. Pour the coconut milk in here. And then 1 scoop of cryogenic.
Tambah ini dong.
Oh, pakai apel?
Ya.
可以. Very good nutrition then.
Ya.
Apple stem cell.
我俩，个登顶柜还喜悦钱么来？
我不知道是吧？儿子站在这里。 Ready to drink.
Bagaimana?
小鱼很胖了，对不对？
Okay, thank you. Welcome to Fanjing Mountain.
That is the Xinjinting, the new one. We are now hiking up to the Laojinting, to the older one. It's actually higher, but not as many people here. Whew. It's amazing here. That side is all white. Just a few more steps and we will arrive at the top of Laojinting. Wow! Look at the view from here. Wow. Ooh, whoa.
Not as good as you.
Yeah, you should come here by yourself because the camera is too far different. The mist has come, covering up the Xinjinting. Oh my god.
Can you look up to me? Hello, say hello.
Hi.
你好。
小心，小心，小心！
好，到了，很快。哎呦，
这 narrow。
Aku
Side
turun
also
ya.
narrow. Oke, oke.
Take photo for me ya.
好的。
Nice degree ini, bukan 45 degree.
Where are you?
Aku di sini. Kamu di mana?
I'm here.
Hello. See you soon. Come.
好的。This funny husband-nya.
肚子饿了，喝点代餐品 ，Biogenic，
哪里的东西啊？
印尼的。首先要倒300毫升的水，好，
理解。
然后放准备好的1条羹的这个粉，代餐粉。摇一摇，可以喝了。记得来梵净山一定要喝 organic。
So guys, kita naik turun gunungnya kayak gini. Ada sekitar 2 atau 3 gunung. Kalau jalan terus nggak berhenti-berhenti itu sekitar 3 jam. Tapi kalau ada istirahat sebentar itu bisa 4 jam, bisa 5 jam. Kayak gini baru sampai ke yang tempatnya si cable car tadi. Jadi kalau you guys nggak suka naik turun gunung, ya pakai cable car aja, nggak terlalu mahal kok. Cable car-nya cuma 70 kuai sekali jalan atau 140.000. Worth it lah kalau emang nggak suka jalan ya. Cuma berhubung kita doyan, jadi kita pilih jalan ini.
快点，加油！已经下来了很远了。你看，你走了这么远了。唉，好 ，OK。Can you hold tight? Hold it tight, don't move. Udah nggak bisa. Aduh. Lihat deh.
Aduh, duduk
Udah jalan.
more safe.
走路已经不正常了，jalan udah pulang normal. Aduh, aduh, ayah.